Before your sweaty workout, let's have a simple and yummy protein parfait for an immediate burst of carbs. Get your favorite tall glass and begin to layer the goodness. The first layer will be plain Greek yogurt, then oats and nuts, which are able to replenish all the energy that you expended while exercising. Another layer of Greek yogurt comes next. Here comes my favorite layer, fruits. I picked strawberries and blueberries, but feel free to swap in your preferred fruits. Continue the layering process until you reach the top of the glass. Lastly, drizzle some sweetness on top and you're ready to enjoy.